Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be trying Harajuku makeup and fashion. If you guys don't know what Harajuku is, it's actually a district in Tokyo, more specifically like Shibuya area. And the name got really popular in the 2000s because a lot of people started to dress up very vibrantly and colorfully with a lot of inspiration from cosplay and Lolita and gothic styles. And it's pretty much become a very huge staple of the pop culture over there, which is super cool and it's super cute and I'm really excited to try it. And we also have a sponsor for this video and it's been forever since we've had a sponsor. But before we start, make sure to watch my last video where I showed you guys common mistakes in makeup. And without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications and let's get started.
Hey, ewa salame, baba klopapir, ewa salame, zinzolbim, ewa salame, hey. Hey.
Huge thank you to iBuyDirect for sponsoring this video. You guys have no idea how important it is for channels to have sponsorships. It really helps keep the channel afloat and it lets me keep on making videos. And obviously I love making videos. iBuyDirect is an amazing website and service for people like me that literally can't see absolutely anything. Not even the camera I'm looking at right now. I wish I was kidding. When they first reached out to me and I read affordable eyeglasses, I was like, okay, what is it gonna be, like $130? These glasses, with my prescription included, were $40. When I got these in the mail and I tried them on, I was actually really upset. Not because these are bad, because they're actually great, but because I have spent $200 on a single pair of glasses before. It actually hurts my soul. But yeah, these are the style Moxie. What do y'all think? I also got these, which are the style Borderline. Not me being Bayonetta, stop playing with me. And then just for the hell of it, I got these non-prescription sunglasses, which are called Santorini. Ooh! Y'all see like gradient? That's so like when somebody bothers me, I don't gotta go like this. I could just... The lenses are customizable, by the way, so you can put literally any lens on them. And they offer a free 14 days fit and style guarantee, so if you don't like them, you can return them. And if you guys do want to purchase them, they've also provided me with a code that you guys can use for 25% off, Indigo25. And in times like these, where saving a buck goes a really long mile, this is an amazing A++ service. I'm so happy about this sponsorship because not only did the channel benefit from this, but this is also such a great service that I definitely recommend even if I wasn't sponsored. And I know for a fact that I'm definitely going to be using this even after the sponsorship. So once again, thank you so much to iBuyDirect for sponsoring this video. But now let's get to the Harajuku video. So we're actually watching two videos because I made sure not to make the Trixie Mattel mistake again. Both videos are by Kawaii Patine. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. But the first one watching is Foundation and Concealer Tutorial.
次は CC クリームを塗っていきます。
I do have CC cream. Let me go get that actually.
ファンデーションの役割なので、ファンデーション自体がもうこの1本で。
Whoa! Apparently, this is the only step for her base. Okay, Miss Girl, you better wear it. For a really long time, I had only wanted to wear CC cream and it was making me so upset that I couldn't actually use this on my oily skin. And I'd always look for one that would work, but like eventually, I just had to kind of give up.
こんな感じです。
Oh, she's so cute. There's just something about someone that is just so confident and so happy with themselves that is so beautiful and it's so cute and you can tell that she definitely has that. I love it.
コンシーラーを塗っていきます。
Wait, but I just thought you just said CC cream was her only thing that she does.
傷跡とかがある場合はコンシーラーで軽く叩くとちょっとくぼんでるとこあるじゃないですか。上まぶたと下まぶたの中間。
Oh, she knew what I was about to say. So I'm gonna go lightly with it because she went in lightly. Ooh. Honestly, using a finger for your makeup is so underrated. It has the warmth and it has the texture, the blendability. It really just does it.
カラーの方で高いところですね。鼻とか眉毛の横。
At first she had me with just using CC cream, but no, here she is giving us a full contour tutorial.
鼻の一番高いところはいつもハイライトを塗るので上からパウダーをのせるときにファンデーションがちょっと落ちちゃったりするんですけど
She's using a brightening concealer at the end of her mouth to apparently give like a smiling appearance. Whether that's going to be true for me or not, I have no idea, but we're about to try it out. So she talked about powder while she was doing her highlighter, but she never actually showed herself powdering, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. With the powder that looks fierce though, you can't even lie. Okay, so that is the base makeup tutorial. Now that is actually very similar to the Korean makeup tutorial that I followed, which is also amazing. But now we're gonna go to the main look, which is super big eyes and makeup tutorial, lashes, and hairstyle.
下まつげはこれを使います。この目尻に向かってどんどん 束が長くなってく。つける位置をちょっと考えます。
So she actually already has her eyeshadow on. Honestly, it doesn't even look like that big of an issue because it's literally just two little colors, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a white eye crayon on the inner part of my eye. This part always scares me, it's so gross. Obviously, it really opens up your eye. Like before I look depressed, now I look like I'm on a party drug. Fun, right? So I'm gonna do yellow under eye, and then I'm gonna do like a coral to yellow gradient. And then a little blue shimmer on the waterline just to make it look like extra cutesy.
若干ずらし気味で、もちろんもう自分の目はここまでなので、ここからは5ミリぐらい。
Okay, so we're gonna have to get a little creative with this step because I don't have lashes that are as long as hers on the top. The bottom lashes are gonna be a little tedious because I'm gonna have to do them separately, but once again, I can do it. We're actually gonna do a little bit of eyeliner over here to make this part look more believable. You see how much difference that made? That really gave me like that little like anime appearance. Okay, so I tried to do individual lashes on the bottom lash, but they were looking so busted that I just had to draw them because it just wasn't working. And for some reason, no matter how hard I try to style my lashes, they all end up curving downwards. So I'm sad. I feel like an Animal Crossing character right now.
取ってちょっとこするだけで。あら埋まった。
Oh my god, that was like a very anime laugh. That's crazy.
ハブラインを引いていくんですよ。この辺まで。
So I'm gonna try to make the new eye crease, but honestly, I'm a little scared. Okay.
隅っこはみ出し気味で薄めのブロスをのせていきましょう。
Okay, so she applied like this like weird like orange thing on her lips, but then honestly, it didn't show up at all. And she applied pink lip gloss, which I actually do have. So I'm gonna go ahead and just skip that orange step because I don't understand what the point of it was. Not that's making some weird ass noise. Y'all heard that? Oh, that's very minty. Oh my gosh, I hate that. Okay, but the lips look cute. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna add my own little couple touches, put on my wig, outfit, and accessories, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I am back, and this is the final makeup look. Hold up, let me show you my whole little outfit. Hopefully my bones don't crack this time. Ah, of course, my bones had to break. Her ladies. This definitely does not look like me, that's for sure. It's like a Pixar pixie that I can't remember. I feel like I look like something like that. I don't know. I'm looking in the monitor and it looks fine. Like it actually looks like very close to the source material. But when I look at it up close, but you know what? It's fine. I had fun. Honestly, I have no idea how to feel about this one. I'm very like, eh. So let me know if you guys think this was a success or a fail down below. Let me know what other makeup tutorials you guys want me to do. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye. Ooh, okay. Ah, of course, my bones had to break.